In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xero rinse bar to your Xero brush. This is a Xero boar hair brush with 4 pencil jets, and we're going to use the same screws that came with this. If you got screws that came with the rinse bar, you can use those as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo these 2 screws from this brush block. Going to put this over to the side, put this on here. Now, the way these holes are is if you want it to be a little bit elevated, you could elevate it as much as you want. I personally like to have mine just about flush with the block. All right. Then, just going to put this right back over it. May not be able to see it in the video, but you want to get your holes lined up. Boom. Great. So now we have a Xero rinse bar on the Xero boar hair brush. Now we have our fast lock angle adapter in here, and we got the hose coming up the pole out of here. Your hose is either going to go into the rinse bar or is going to go into the pencil jets. So if you want to do pencil jets, you'll plug in like that. If you want to do rinse bar, then you'll plug into here. That's how you attach your Xero rinse bar to your Xero water fed brush. If you have any questions, comment below.